Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text left and right in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software, then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I align text left and right on this sheet. At first, you have to select a cell to align left and right. Now go to home menu, then you can see here are many alignment options. Now choose align left. Now choose align right. Now select another cell. Now choose align right. Now you can see I align text left and right very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.